I have opened up and I'm ready for war. But there's one thing I want to tell Kwame Fifa. I will take something precious from you.
That's a hit. High on TV. Damasi bebre. Na me ana mentiase. Who can be like a crab usu be kunipa. Kakra bi bekunipa. Etie for me hwe ade a Kevin Taylor okan ye. He okatache Fifa. Oye asantini okofo a wo firi asante agona tie ni ye. Me be kan ne mre bi kire mo say for the records. For the records. Mo beti masum nsem. The woman and say eye okatache Fifa. O free angel. O share the program as encheye. Ohun. Nanso o Kevin Taylor what me tina ho de dimpan for atema de dimpan for atema de dimpan for atem obi anka ho hwe se bi utimi de achia me anim ye fom obi anka ho hwe ene de u hia o mita de a u beku nipa u be manipa anum suo afan fa da bi ago na wudi afi de u hia o mita de a ene de wo su be ma obi anum suo amena du na ha untimi ma obi num suo manin du ne ba bia da Kevin Taylor Sebi ukaseti achiame, ukaseti amamfo, ukaseti ampanyifo mabobra wasante mamu ne Ghana mamu hano. Amamfo hwe wudin. Na de wo hwe umita de a wo pese o kire se wo ye be ma chan obi. Kemta nya be ma nche obi a. Unya be ma nche bia, unya be ma. Aha de platform be nya abo ne kwase awu. Enye jimifo ene ye ka. Ye ka nipa oban ni usu. Ene de wutimi ye. Otina broche for so many years, unya adwuma bia ma amu a sebi kan na man. And so sorry, I'm on my beer, you may cheer any packer, and that's what I would do on my tem. Can we tell her? Chain, now for the records, Nadia. Ubeti on the but therefore, we mean Tiatima, a dear Kevin Taylor, a kaye, our threatening, a yoke at the chef FIFA, and Ubianca wants him. Ubianca wants him. I am to a TV. Yan to also, you'd be
open up, and I'm ready for war. But there's one thing I want to tell Kwame Fifa. I will take something precious from you. Listen to me. I will take something precious from you. And that thing I'll take from you, you will never be happy again. Kwame Fifa, I'm saying this on my show. Obe sansio obe nom untumi mene
kasi hit she Kevin Taylor so ye Taylor ni aso pama de wo hemfo so pama de wo hemfo panyimfo a wasopo mo Ghana ha sei no enim difo eni atitiru a wadi o mata mo Ghana ha no me ka cho say okete Fifa jumadi odi aben for the records obeti wo so mu nsem o Ebisebi enye kwase ne abo ne jimi ene ye beka na wa ye beka facts she we ye ketua bi Dr. Chef Fifa de betu dwa bia no ye post na platform no so Kevin Taylor gina ye de eba no obedwane se wo se wo sound papa wo camera papa sans no obi anso wo sound obi anso wo camera papa to obi anso be sorry tiawo because what sorry tiam panyufo Ghana ha se bo bia kana no tuma obi agide de sebi obi agide de o ya wo hwe wo e ma hu se nkwasasem ene dwumadi fun ne mfre ni masem e na akasati anipa utimi e de kan Japan esi ho obi papa a obo ne bra a wo twe anipa dom ka wo Ghana ha Kevin ka kire me se kromu a wo twe anipa be se tenka ka kire me adwuma be na obi ne kromu ha umi adwuma bia wo kromu ha da oda se enso ene utimi gina ba bi timpanyifo atem ene de wo se sudi watem a obeku no untimi nkuno ye tia santima mu wasikadwe boy ho ba ne de untimi nkunya meti antoa ha da ne bekume untimi nkume yes kaze hit ye because we dey bro obi am follow on TV no on TV if so kata Chef Fifa program bi obeye bia no Africa Vitela obi be posting e da masi bebre kaze hit
because am chire obi bi wo wiase and you understand what life is. Obe frɛ wo yere sɛ ɔnsansuo ma wo nom entumi ntra wo minimum. All along I saw you as my kid brother Every time I say we did matembiano, I saw you like my kid brother, Minya Ketwa. So I didn't really want to react to you. Because Minya Odimechi unin age pet. Yeah. Minya Odimechi unin age pet. And I saw you every time as my kid brother. Kwame Fifa. Anything I wasn't responding to you. You were a child. But you have bitten more than you can chew. You have incriminated yourself. You are a criminal. You think you can blackmail people. Me say, I've opened the doors. I am ready for war. And say, when I hear somebody mention my name, now I'm responding. I have a reason. And I have time for every single thing I do.